Hi all, welcome back to my channel and our kayaking adventures. On New Year's Eve, we decided to kayak around Dragon Point and the Banana River in hopes to see a few dolphin and the last sunset of the year. And were we in for a special treat? Join us on this adventure.
Put on the skates. Fine.
Okay, I hope it's alright. Whoa! We arrived at the O'Galley Causeway boat ramp about 6:30 p.m. We unloaded our kayaks and set out for our final voyage of 2021. We had hoped to see a few dolphin. We had no idea how spectacular this trip would end up being. December 31st, 2021, last day of the year, and this will be the last kayaking we do for the rest of the year. That's right, our next adventure will be in 2022, which is tomorrow. But for today, we're going to Dragon Point, a familiar area if you've been watching some of my videos in the past. My daughter flies back to Chapel Hill tomorrow, and I let her choose where we were going to go, and we decided Dragon Point was where we would possibly get a chance to see some dolphin before she left. So we're just paddling out, last paddle of the year, and seeing what we can see. It's a little bit later than our usual time. It's 3:35, temperature 77 degrees. Earlier today we had lunch with fellow YouTuber Satellite Beach Live. Check out his channel. He has live video streaming of the Grand Canal. 3 or 4 different cameras. They alternate every 15-30 seconds or so. So you can kind of check out the weather. But for now, let's do some kayaking. When paddling under those low bridges like that, you want to watch when you're coming out. Make sure you don't see any fishing line, because every once in a while you'll have fishermen on top of those bridges fishing, and you don't want to ruin their day and yours by getting caught up in their fishing line.
Daniel, what is that? On the left. You okay? Dolphin? What did you find that? You okay?
All right, you definitely can't see him with the camera. I can barely see him without the camera. Looks like there's about 3 dolphin up there. I can't really see their dorsal fins, but I do see the light shimmering off of their dorsal fins. We're about right next to that boat that just slowed down. Oh, there's 3 of them for sure.
There's another one going back there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh, they're clean out. Wow, what the heck?
Oh! Alright, so now we're on the Banana River. We've seen a few dolphin already. Hopefully we should see some more up against this seawall up ahead. Or it's actually right behind me over on this side. I had to turn so that way the sun wouldn't be in your eyes. Got my Team C's shirt on, representing the cause. This was the last day for Mr. Beast and Mark Rober to hopefully raise the $30 million to get 30 million tons of trash out of the ocean. So we're going to hit that 30 million. I think they were at 25 million this morning when I looked at it, or maybe it was yesterday afternoon. I think it's a good cause. Anytime you can get trash out of the ocean, there's a good cause. We just got to figure out a way to quit putting it into the ocean. That'd be a better cause. So let's get over here towards Mather's Bridge and the seawall where we know dolphin are known to hang out, and let's see if we can't find some more. We got a kayaker in front of us. They might be looking for the dolphin as well.
Dolphin! Where's the blue yacht is?
By the blue what?
Yeah, straight.
Yeah, that seawall. They're always right there.
They've been jumping all week.
Oh, really?
And this is where they hang out. Like,
Yeah, they love to eat over at the seawall here.
yeah.
There's a dolphin in front of that boat.
Oh, dolphin rode there. Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Yeah, I just popped up right in front of me too. So I'm not sure how much of that I actually caught on the camera. Had a couple come in front of me, a couple more right beside me. Pretty cool. They were all within a few feet of my kayak. That's amazing. Dolphin out wishing us a happy new year.
But I'm sure it's fine.
Okay, I hope it's alright. Whoa!
Oh, look at it!
We decided to turn around and follow the dolphin some more. We've still got a little while before sunset, but we're just out kind of cruising, relaxing, seeing what kind of trouble we can get into. Sunset, we would probably want to be over by Dragon Point. We got a few more minutes. Whoa! So I can't wait to review this footage of all the dolphin popping up out of the air. We had them popping up everywhere, behind us, in front of us. We couldn't catch all the video footage of it. It was pretty spectacular. Great. Oh, we got fireworks. So we're heading over to Dragon Point right now to watch the sunset. It'll be the final sunset of 2021. Hopefully 2022 is going to be a great year. For my 611 subscribers as of this morning before we left to go kayaking, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing and supporting my channel. For those of you who've watched my videos and have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to hit 1,000 subscribers for the spring. Got a view of the causeway. There's the sun. We got some dolphin helping us enjoy the sunset. The fish wanted to make an appearance too. discovered we haven't figured out where we're going to eat dinner. It's 6:45, so that means every restaurant's going to be busy since it's New Year's Eve. But we definitely want some good food. We'll figure that out on the paddle back.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our last paddle of 2021. I hope that you all had a great New Year's, and I hope 2022 brings you lots of joy. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have not done so, subscribe to Kayak 7 Seas. We have plenty of content coming your way in 2022. Until the next time, hope to see you out on the water someday.